Patterns are found everywhere, from the plants, animals, the sky, and the rocks you pass by. So here are three types of patterns found in nature. The first type is symmetry. Symmetry can be classified into two types. The first type is bilateral symmetry. It is a symmetry in which half of an organism is a mirrored image of its other half. For example, this insect's left half is almost a mirror image of its right. The second type of symmetry is radial symmetry. Radial symmetry is a symmetry of an organism around a fixed point or center. For example, this flower's petals is grown around its center point. The next type of patterns are fractals. A fractal is a geometric figure in which each part has the same statistical character as the whole. The same shape is replicated in a process called self-similarity. This is a great example of fractals. The last type of patterns are spirals. A spiral is a curved pattern that revolves around a center point. A good example of a spiral is this. The fossil's pattern is revolving around its center point, creating a spiraling pattern.